It is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful day. Labor Day 2011. Anita Purves Nature Center. That's what this place is. I suppose I should have done the sign. Ooh. Oh, the boardwalk. Let's do the boardwalk for now.
Not for right now. You can always veer off if you need to.
What's that?
Oh.
Look at apples falling on us. Crab apple?
It doesn't look like a crab apple to me. I think it's more.
No.
Do you know those things? Yeah. Do you see that little part in there?
Yeah, that's not a crab apple. I don't know.
I'll show you when I find another one.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
I forget.
Okay. So you see that wrinkly
Yes.
thing right there?
Yes.
That's this.
Yes.
Except the fruit or whatever
Right.
this is for.
And I forget what they're called.